In today's video, I'm going to take you through CAPSIM, part of the CAPSIM simulation. And as you can see, we are currently working on the exam, the CAPSIM exam. And if you need help in CAPSIM, Mastermind Academics is offering tutoring services. You can just text me on the email on the description or on that WhatsApp number, and I'll sort you out. Thank you. So, first things first, you can see the CAPSIM dashboard exam is divided into two parts. The first one is the board queries. The first one is the web spreadsheet whereby we are going to upload the decisions for this round, and then we have the board query part whereby you are going to answer questions for the exam. So far I've done round 1 and round 2. So at the moment we are currently in round 3 of the simulation. In round 3 of the exam, and that's it. So here you can advance, maybe to the next round, which is round 4. So we are currently at round 3. So first things first, I'll just launch the web spreadsheet, and I'm going to take you through the CAPSIM or the globalDNA before we make our decisions. So as you can see, we're in round 3, the year is 2030. First part is the R&D, or the first department is the R&D. Our products are here. The first one is able, the second one is ECA. If you want to make decisions for any of these products, you can just tap on the update. You just tap on this update product specifications, and you'll be given here the speed, you have the accuracy, you have the service life. That's it. And then here you have the reports. Maybe if you want to make decisions on these departments, the decisions are made from the reports. This one called the globe. So you'll just tap here and then open the globe. We have here the perceptual map, which shows maybe the positioning of our products. And then we have some charts here for the investments. We have this one for material costs, and then this for edge. Next is the marketing part. And under the marketing part, we have regions. Our product is selling in how many regions? So for now, our products are selling in America. We have Europe. We have Asia Pacific. So under America, you'll be able to make decisions for the two products, for Able and for ECA. And you'll be able to make decisions or to draft decisions for the price. Maybe you look for a standard price for our products. And then we have the forecast part, whereby you have the worst case and the best case. And then you have the accessibility and awareness. Accessibility, mainly the promotion, and then accessibility by the sales budget. That's it. When you go to the next market, it's still the same thing. You make decisions for the price, the forecasting, and the customer awareness and the accessibility. Same as to the last market, which is Asia and Pacific, whereby you also make decisions under the price, the forecast, and the forecast, remember, is divided into two, the worst case and the best case, and then you have the customer accessibility and awareness for all our two products. Down here we have something called the total, maybe the details for the last round, maybe the total number of products sold in the last round, and maybe the demand for the last round. That's all about marketing. When you go to the next part is the production part, and whereby we normally produce based on what we have forecasted. So here you also have the three regions, so the America, the Europe, and lastly the Asia. And maybe when you start with the American part, you can see that our two products are here, Able and ECA. And you have the forecasted demand. This now the number of products that you have forecasted you are going to sell in this round. Then you have the production, maybe the number of products that you are going to produce, and you have the outsourced, the number of products that you are going to outsource. On the other side, you have the cost breakdown, whereby you have the labor per unit. We also have the material per unit. We also have the shipping per unit. We have the cost per unit, and lastly, we have the contribution margin for each and every product. So we have all that for all our three markets. All the three markets almost share the same. So you have also another one for Asia, whereby you are going to see here the number of products forecasted, the production rate, and the number of products to be sourced. Last part, and which is always the last department in CAPSIM, is now the finance. And under finance, you can see that we have the key performance indicators, the pie chart as usual, maybe the long-term debt, the retained earnings, the common stock, the accounts payable, all that. And then now decisions, where you're going to make decisions. First things first, decisions will be made under the accounts payable and the accounts receivable. Next one is under common stock, whereby you can issue stock and you have the maximum issue stock, which is 467, whereby you can uh, retire stock also, and you have been given the maximum retire stock as 116. You can also, we have also dividend per share, and we have the long-term debt. This is now whereby you can issue a long-term debt or retire a long-term debt. We also have the current debt, and now this is where you can borrow money to finance our company. And lastly, you have the starting cash position and the closing cash position. Remember, we have not made any decisions. That's why you can see our closing cash position is kind of a negative. Lastly, you can see here the ratios, whereby you can see the ROE, the ROS, the profit, sorry, the ROA, the return on equity, the return on sales, all that. We have the profit, whereby you have the net profit, whereby you can see the net margin and the net profit for all our teams. And then we have the market share, whereby you can see which company has the highest market share. Lastly, once you're done with the decisions, you'll now save and you'll update them, and then you can exit. So if we exit, you can return to the cost page, and once you return there, once you're done with this, with making the decisions, you now focus on answering the questions or the board query. So that's it, and then after that you can advance to the next round. So if you need help in CAPSIM or any related simulation, the CompExam exam is on now this December. So if you need help in the CompExam exam, just text me on that email or on that WhatsApp number on the description, and I'll help you. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time, bye.